Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to modify notification language in Bybit on the app version. Let's get started. First, launch the Bybit app and then tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the page. Then tap on Settings icon in top right corner to open account settings page. Scroll down and you'll find language settings. Tap on it and now you can choose language which one do you prefer. Note: change of language settings apply to both your account and notification on both the Bybit app and Bybit's official website. If you've set a different language on your Bybit app and website, the latest language selected will take precedence. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.